Hey everybody, this is Chris from the Droning Company here at Commercial UAV Expo 2024. Another exciting year in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're actually out here doing some drone demos today, and I'm joined by Jennifer Pigeon of SMG. Jennifer, your group is responsible for sort of putting on this whole demo event.
Yes, sir. This is kind of our big contribution to Commercial UAV Expo. We've been working with them for 7 years now, putting on the live drone demonstrations. We basically started off in the middle of the desert with no resources whatsoever, and we've kind of grown up and matured over the years. So.
Even just like year to year to year.
Yeah.
I remember my first time here at the demo event at CUAV, it was 2022, and it was brutally hot that day.
Yes, it
Very
was.
hard to stay cool, but your team did a great job of making sure everybody was hydrated. This year, and even actually starting last year, we've taken a huge step up. The venue here is fantastic.
Thank you. Yeah, we were kind of lucky to find this. We've been working with Anderson Parks and Rec to find a new location that was a little bit more friendly for us. And yeah, so because we've got the grass, excuse me, sorry.
It's okay.
Because we've got the grass here is a lot cooler, and of course the pond over there that helps kind of keep everything more sedate. We've obviously added the misting tents and a lot more shade structure, so there's places for people to cool off.
Absolutely, and I know you're very busy today.
No, it's good, it's good.
So just one more question before we let you get back to it. Sort of tell us what the purpose of this event is and how important it is to sort of show people what this drone technology does.
Yeah, well, this is kind of the launch of Commercial UAV Expo. So it basically starts the entire show. And what it does is it allows everyone to see a lot of the vendors work their drones. So you can see it in flight, you can see some of the data that's been pulled from it. A lot of these vendors will share that information at their booth later on this week. So, and that's really the key of this whole demonstration, is just seeing the drones in flight. It's one thing to see it on a table, another thing entirely to see it up in the air.
I couldn't agree more.
So,
Jennifer, thank you so much for
my
your time.
pleasure.
We'll let you get back to it. Absolutely.
No, it's great.
So much fun. CUAV,
Thanks,
make sure
everyone.
you check it out.